Please subscribe.
Here's my kit from AJ1E Superior Solutions for my Ford 5R55W transmission. I bought the entire kit with both servos. I only needed one servo, but I'll keep the other servo for the future if necessary. I did buy the modified snap rings and the pliers that go with the snap rings to install them. And I also bought 2 return springs for both servos. Here's just the overview of the kit. They give you both the servos. There's the pliers I ordered, just covering how they put a nice sharp edge at the end of the pliers just to grab this modified snap rings that you're seeing there. And they give you an extra, O-rings and stuff to go with the kit as well. The snap rings just have a deeper groove that they groove into it so that you can get in there with the pliers a little bit better. So you can see it leaking here on the back servo there. The intermediate servo is the one I'm going to replace here. Here, if you look closely, you can see that servo is kicked on an angle, and you can also see the ring, the snap ring, is actually pushing out. That's how it was, and it was just pouring out transmission fluid. This is the band adjustment on the driver's side of the transmission. I already broke it loose, so you can see it here loosened. That's for the intermediate, and this one here is for the overdrive adjustment. This is a servo after I pulled it out. What it did, it broke the pin here that I'm showing at the end. And that's what sheared off is the bottom rivet pin on this servo. Here I have it reinstalled. This is the new servo. What you're seeing is the cap that is on the outside of the transmission, and I just took it to a wire brush. It's the original that was on the transmission. The snap ring groove was rusted and corroded, so I just took a pick to it and cleaned it as best as I could to get a good seat. This is the band adjustment. I took it out. I wire brushed it all up, got all the rust off it so I could adjust it easier, and I'm just showing that here. I added some anti-seize or no-seize to the outside threads and the inside threads a little bit just so it didn't rust up on me in the future. I bought this 1/4 inch torque wrench from Harbor Freight to do the adjustment for the band. This is the clip for the linkage, so I'm just showing you just put the screwdriver in here and you just pry it back and you can slide it to remove it. So disclaimer, this actually kit didn't work out. Not anything to do with the kit itself. I had underlying problems with this transmission. I believe it was the band had probably was close to breaking. When I was just trying to install the servo, it seemed to be fighting me, but I was able to eventually get it to work in there and get the clip in. But at the end of the day, I had to replace the transmission. At the end of the day, that's what happened. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.